Nagbabala ka bang bumili ng one of the best-selling scooter sa buong Pilipinas? Well, heto na mula sa kampo ng Honda, ang Click 125 version 3. Tara, ikutan natin mga chong! This Honda Click 125 is powered by 125cc, 2 valves, single overhead cams, liquid-cooled engine, comes with a Honda ESP engine technology cross-match up by ACG starter or AC generator, meaning nagge-generate siya ng current at sinacharge niya yung battery while riding at the same time. Tumutulong ito para tahimik ang engine upon initial startup. And syempre, ang ipinagmamalaki ni Honda na PGM FI technology to increase the performance pero tipid sa gasolina. It is a CVT type transmission with a power output of 11 horsepower and 10.8 Nm of torque at 5,000 RPM. Maximum power